So hi friends, today I'm going to teach you a simple tutorial for the basic editing. So we will do like 5 parts. So today I'm going to show you the part 1. So in part 1 the tutorial will be how to add a video, then how to split and trim, then how to add a background music and add text. So this is what we are going to do in part 1. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So friends, first I will show you how to add a video. So if you go here and type export, import and give media files, if you give media files, you'll get a desktop like this. Now I will take you a simple video and show you. Yeah, this video. So this will take something like 10 or 5 or 10 seconds. So you need to insert the video first. So friends, now I have successfully got it inside. So first it will be in the disk library. So in this you can store whatever you want, then you can go for editing. So first I will take this video file and put it over here. Okay, so after you put over here, you can see preview over here. If you press this play button, you can see preview over here. You can see the complete preview. So you can see the complete preview over here. So this is how you insert a video. It is very simple. You need to go here, then give import, then go to media files, then insert the file. So it is a very simple process only. So after you insert a video, I will make this clip. So after you insert a video, you will be thinking how to trim it or how to split it. So first I will show you how to split. So if you need to select a particular place like this, and if you right click it, and you can see option over here, split or cut. So you can trim or like you can split. If you press the split option, the video will be split and you can grab it away, it's split. So if you want to crop it, means you can right click and give edit video, and you can go over here and see trim. So if you give trim, interface will appear and you can trim easily without any problem. You just need to pull this like this and take this. And if you give OK, done, bam, it's completely trimmed. So you can see I completely trimmed it. Okay, you can see over here I trimmed it. So this is how you trim the videos. Or if you just press like this, means you can extend the video, or you can even make the video small, trim only. So you can make your video small or you can split. This is how you split and trim. So it is very simple to do this, so it won't take that much of time. So it is a very simple process only. So next I am going to show you how to add background music. So you can see over here, some music is there over here. Just need to take it, and in the side you can see option, put over there. And you can see that's all. That is all about adding background music. You can see that's all. And if I give you a preview, hope you can hear it. So that is how you insert the background music. It is very simple. You need to take this and put it over here. That's all. So it is pretty simple to do. It doesn't require a lot of effort and all. So it is very simple to do. And next, the last one which you are going to see is, remove these. Last one which you are going to see is how to add a text. So it is a very simple process only, but I'll show you a detailed explanation on that. So over here you can see title room. If you press it, and you'll get lot of variety of collections about adding the text and all. So I will give all content. In this you'll get all the text. You get all the text over here. You can see there are a lot of text. So you can see there are these texts are very useful. You can see there are a lot of text. So how to enter text? So I will take a normal text. Okay, I'll take it, and if you go down, you can see in the video, or you can drop it anywhere else. If you go down, you can see text. If you want, you can post it here also. I will post it here. Okay, that's all how you add the text. Now we need to do some changes in this, and the detailed explanation on how to add the text. So you can see I added the text over here without any problem. So if you want to extend the text, press it, and if you go a little, remove this. If you do like, just pull it up. So this thing gets more big. So now if you want to edit this text, means just double click it, then you will get a new interface. Just double click it. So you'll get lot of advantages in this. So first I will show you how to move this text. You can see it is simple to move. Very simple to move the text. And if you want to crop the text like this, you can do it, or you can make it bigger. It's very simple. Then about changing the color, press it and select any random color and give OK. Then you can see the color. Then if you want to change letter by letter, you can change it. It's pretty simple to do. Done. So now you can see the text has been entered without any problem. Now if you want to increase the text size, it's pretty simple to do. You can increase it like this, or there is one more option to increase it. If you go over here and text size, you can see you can increase it as much as you want, and if you want to decrease also, you can decrease it. It's the same process. And next, if you want to add border, press it, and you can see the size, how much you want to enter, as much big as how much big you want. Then if you want to blur it a bit, then opacity, if you want, you can decrease it or increase it. It depends upon you. Then you can give like white. Okay, white, you can see it is looking better. So you can give white, and if you want to shadow, press shadow. Then you can see over your button, press it, then increase the shadow rate, the distance, then blur, then opacity, how much ever you want, then shadow direction, up or down, or where you want to place it. I'll give it over here. Okay, that's all with shadow. Then backdrop, you give it tick, it will come automatically. You can change it over here. So okay. So after that, how to add transition in this? So adding transition is also pretty simple. So before adding transition and all, you can see character, presence and opacity. So you can give the however you want to give, or the old design also. There are already many collection. You can take any one from this without any problem. So this text is pretty simple only. If you want to insert another text, you can give it again. Then if you give advance for transition, if you give advance, you will start getting effect, motion option and all. So starting effect and this and all. So now we'll get the effect and motion. So the path where you want to go. Now I'll explain you in more detail. So starting effect, I will give it like this. Done. Now you can see the effect is really good. Just place it down. Fine. So this is the starting effect. Then ending effect also I'll give. Let's give ending effect as, yeah, drop it. You can see it's the ending effect. So it's pretty simple to do, no problem will be there. Close it like this. Then special effects like fire or something, the fire or something, see, you can see give nice special effect, lightning special effects. It's actually really good effects. So neon if you want to give, then LED sign, then lights, then electric wave. So it is really good. So if you give OK means the text will completely be done, and you can see there will be effects and all. So currently I did not add any effect, so that's why you are not able to see. If you want to add effect means it's very simple. Double click it. First when you double click it, a new interface will appear. Yeah, a new interface will appear. Then go to effect, then give special effects, then give wave, and that's all. It's pretty simple to do. Give wave and done. You can see. So it is pretty simple to do. So I'll end this thing, close it. So now if you want to create motion means you can go here, give path, then wherever you want the text to go you can give. If you give like this you can see. So the text path and all, this is pretty simple to do. So no worries about it. Close it. So it is pretty simple to do only, so no worries about that, you can get it. So if you want to do more changes in that, color changes, length changes, you can put it. Period I'll put more. Then size will also I'll increase it a bit. So now it's looking better. So it is very simple to do only. Now if you go to the end, that's all. It's pretty simple. Now just give OK and it will get saved without any problem. So friends, you can see all the changes have been done. This is how you enter the text and all, do all the stuff. You can see it, it's pretty simple to do. You can see the text. So I kept the speed more, so the speed slow, that's why it's coming slow, or it will be fast also. You can decrease and increase it. So not only one text is there are a lot of text with already transition effects given like this, you can see. So I will overwrite it, so you can see there are a lot of text already given. So so friends, you can see there's a lot of transition effects, and so I hope I covered all the topics for the part 1. So part 2 I will be showing about the chroma key and the other effects which you can do. So please make sure that you will share this video and like and subscribe, so that you will get notified for the upcoming tutorial videos. So bye friends.